Good Tuesday morning, June the 30th, 2026. You're looking at the Livewire charts. We're going to be trading Livewire this week just because we traded simple market metrics quite a bit in the past. And so I want to kind of just show the difference between the two charting and how I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be trading specifically off of the Livewire today. I'm going to be watching for yellow and yellow, blue and blue. If it's yellow, yellow with a bunch of red, or if it's blue, blue with some green. We're going to take the blue, got upper pressure. We're going to take that now. We're in. We're going to look for the black or a yellow candle going below this blue line to trigger the exit. So that is my stop loss. Right now I am trading with no stop loss because I am going to be using the crossover of the blue to be my stop loss. So we got it at 390. Okay, the candle did not go below. We have a wick below, but it didn't go below. We do have red, but we have the green coming back in again. Because it did not go below, that's why we little pullback here. So it's heading up again. As you can already see, this is simple. The purpose of the live wire is to take trades longer. And you see we've already been in this trade roughly 6-7 minutes. And right now we're at 160 point plus. We'll pull back again. We'll see if this is going to be successful. All right, we're going to get out of the trade. Candles were starting to go down. It may turn and come back up again, but we got out there. Good start to a Tuesday morning. That was 123.5 points of movement. Upward movement again. I'm going to get into that trade and see where it goes. Strong, strong. No, it did not turn blue yet. Okay, it just turned blue. When I saw the momentum building and this coming up with no wicks, that's why I jumped in. So I came in 2 candles before the actual blue turn. So we'll see where this goes. Since we've had all this sideways movement here, it may not be a major gain. Looks like it might be stalling. Definitely getting some sideways movement here, and I don't want to get caught up into that. I'm already up a few points. Let me just close that out before it comes back down. Picked up a little bit of a gain, starting to go sideways. A little cautious on that. All right, we got basically we got kind of a pullback area right here, resting. We got a few points there. It has lifted above the line. I'm going to go take it. Simple market metrics, we have a strong green candle. Wow, that just was a bump. That is all 1 second movement right there. Still going up. But just watch it for a little bit. I'm going to be very quick. If I had a couple of hollow candles, a couple of black candles appear, I'll get up before that, but I don't want to get too close to the news. It's not a major news event, but at the same time, You never know these days what one report can do. All right, we're 3 minutes away. I'm going to go ahead and close that trade out. So we have closed it out 232 to 323. That is a 90-point move. Wow. The markets have been doing very well today. All right, we have an upward movement on the blue. News is already passed. Let's see where we go with this one. We're still making new highs. We see here all the time frames are all bullish. So that kind of helps, gives us an indicator as well. So we have a lot of visuals here that help us. The green, the blue, all the blue over here. Lets us know that the direction at this is over the different time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, last hour. So over the last day, we're definitely bullish. So this is all features of the Livewire. Watching for if it touches or if the bar goes down into the line is when we'll get out. All right, we're getting out, and that'll be our first loss of the day. A loss of 10.5 points. So not a major loss, but it was a loss. So since our last trade, which was a loss, we have definitely been going sideways. It appears to be going. I'm going to go ahead and get in here, and we'll see where it goes. It appears it's going to close out a trade for break even. We are down now. Okay, we did get a little bit of a loss. 2 points looks like. 2.5 points on that trade. We have a session high here of a yellow on a yellow. I am going to start writing that down. Let me see what this next candle does. Getting in after a long run up today. We're going to see where this is going to ride us to. A lot of red right in here over the last little bit. That's why I started to take that trade. We took it at there, so we're losing right now. This is definitely a much longer trade. I'm going to close out that trade and take the gain due to the time. That was a 19.5 gain. So total for today, 238.5 point gain. So let's go back over these trades. This was trade number 6 here. Trade number 5 here. Trade number 5 was a loss. Trade number 4 was a loss here as well. The trade number 3 was a significant win all the way from here up to here. Trade number 2 was a smaller win right there to there, getting into allow that chop. That's why I got out of that one. And then the first trade of the morning, way down here, all the way up to here where it got out there. And that was a 123-point run. There is the trading day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you all for watching. We will be back trading again soon. Thank you be sure to subscribe and like to the channel, and definitely consider the Livewire. Kelly has built a great system here, and we love trading it. Y'all have a great day now.
Thank you all for watching our trading activity today. We plan on posting 2 or 3 videos a week to demonstrate the simple market metrics and the Livewire trading indicators. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.